Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go with some of the highlights on our engine build here. Then we have a 347 Ford stroker engine. We have the power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Engine block is painted to dark Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. Correct front sump oil pan for the 66 Mustang. Brand new fuel pump. We have all the Russell braided fuel lines with the Edelbrock gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the blue ignition wires with all the wire markers, made in USA. Distributor set in place. Customer wanted the polished intake manifold. We put the polished intake manifold on there. MSD ignition coil, Holley carburetor on there, double pumper, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the Mustang air cleaner on there, all set. Proper standard flywheel, Ford Racing billet steel flywheel, 157 tooth, 28 ounce balance for the 347 Ford. We will be installing the starter index plate on there for the customer. Pilot bearings installed. Manifold vacuum fittings installed on the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. Heavy duty PCV hose and PCV valve. We have the polished Wraptor pulley kit on there with the AC compressor, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here. Correct lower hose location for the 66 Mustang on the passenger side. Standard rotation high flow aluminum water pump. Correct thermostat housing on there. The 66 Mustang. High flow thermostat, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the auto mixer screws, get the best manifold vacuum reading. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. Family operated business here. Again, our 347 Ford 425 horsepower engine, AFR heads, roller cam, Wraptor pulley kit, 66 Mustang. Thanks for watching.